5-axis Mazak machine. Joshua, lead machinist here at 7D Manufacturing, building some components. What are you building here?
They're called magnet frames for PMC.
Yeah, magnet frames.
Yeah, magnet frames. Powder metal. You go in a couple slots, drill the tap holes. Supposed to be for sliding glass doors.
Oh,
To my understanding.
yeah, cool. Making thousands of these little parts. These go in a medical, some kind of medical device. It's powdered metal also. It's very precise. Each one has to be checked for tolerance. It is extremely precise product. It has to be done perfectly. These are Swiss turning machines. Highly precision products are made on these machines. Millions of dollars invested in this facility and building high quality products. It's not a cookie cutter shop. This is a shop made that you would make things like high quality rifle components. You know, anything like very high end manufacturing process. Testing equipment to test and measure. Henry, what are you working on today? Magnet frames. They got to be precise in their measurements and everything. All right. This machine here, this is where we were building some Pennington Hitch components. Got fixtures in there to hold the parts in place so that we can machine them. So we got fixtures there to hold the parts so we can machine them. pin inside of a pin system. I come up with that myself. You, Brad Pennington. Owner and inventor of Pennington Hitch. These pieces here, they slide. These huge chunks, they slide up and down this channel on the hitch. See, they go in this big wide channel. So our pin, our capture mechanism that keeps our hitch together is we're not relying on a 5/8 pin like B&W. That is made out of an 1.5 inch piece of solid stainless steel. It's all one component. It's got a spring pin inside there. But you see, that is the mechanism, you see, that allows it to go up and down. It's captured by this piece, this big piece right here, and captured by this, see? You'd have to break that. That is, I would say it's 5 times the size of a B&W or Gen Y or any other hitch. 5-6 times, you know what? Let's tie this thing to a bulldozer and see who's the best, who's got the best. Laboratory to make sure that everything is the right size. Everything is all made and done right. Checked 20 times to make sure that everything is proper. Take you guys into the shipping and assembly department here at 7D Manufacturing. Pennington Hitch, or Pennington Hitches, are born. This is where package everything for shipments. We have some Pennington Hitch components here. These are some 6-inch by 2.5-inch receiver hitches. They came back from hard anodizing. This finish is a very high-end. It's a very high-end custom finish. This is an extremely hard surface. It's hard to scratch with a key or anything. It's a really nice surface. Then we got some Pennington Hitch components here on this desk. Some of our other parts are here stacked on this, and then we get over here. This is actually the assembly area where we take the hitch components and we assemble them. They're also making, these are some food grade overhead conveyor system. They build every part of this here at 7D Manufacturing. They build the whole chain and everything. But these are some parts sitting here ready to be for hitches to be put together and lasered and everything. This is what we're looking at here. This is inside of this was a used hitch that we had taken apart, and we're just kind of looking over how things were on it. It's in a 2-ball system. This is a huge shaft. It's like a kingpin on a semi. That is what you're towing off of. And this is the size of the pin that keeps it from turning. You can see it's all overbuilt stuff. These are Pennington straight hitch. The straight hitch design. You got a QR code so you can find PenningtonHitch.com that way. Some of our 8-inch drop with 2-inch receivers. What we have to do here is we have to install like these we put helicals inside the ends to make the thread stronger. And then this is one where we just got to install the helicals. They're just kind of started. This one will ship out today. It's shipping. This one is is actually shipping to Miami, Florida, to Irving Rivera in Miami, Florida. Purchased this trailer hitch. We're going to get it put together for him and shipped out today. This is basically a call center. You know, right now we're not getting so many calls that we can't handle them, but we're hoping with you guys' help that we could fill these desks with people here in Boswell, Oklahoma, and give them an opportunity to make a living for their families.
Graduated high school in '96, went to machining in '97, spent about 29 years now. Started off in more of your oil field type work, doing jobs for Halliburton, Schlumberger, Cameron, FMC. I've ran stuff for GE Electric, machine parts anywhere from the size of grams to the largest part that I've ever manufactured was 76,400 pounds. I've done parts for NASA. I've done stuff for medical field, whether it be heart surgery, hip replacement joints, aviation, military defense, custom machining for firearms, as well as automotive. So it's kind of a broad spectrum of things over the last 29 years that I've done. Anywhere from ductiles, carbon steel, stainless steel, 200 series, 300, 400 series, 718 Inconels, 625 Inconels, titaniums, 17.4 stainless, just a variety of different materials.
What is y'all's quality standards here at 7D Manufacturing? What do y'all strive to do on that?
Well, our motto is excellence is our business, so we're constantly striving to achieve, to do better and better with what we have and grow from there. We're ISO certified, so we go through the quality procedure, first article inspection, final inspections, daily run checks to make sure that we meet the stated and implied requirements of our customers.